Okay, so you've got to separate the original screen from the electronics behind the screen. There's some hooks there and there, and some on the bottom as well. Then you've got to disconnect the original ribbon cables. So there's two, one there, one there. You connect the new ribbon cable into the big one, the small one's not used. And then this goes on like this. Just be careful with the ribbon cable. And you'll need to tape up this panel so that it sits securely there. The original video cable goes into the back of the original screen. You've got the piggyback harness from the Android system, so you plug the original plug into there, and then the piggyback harness goes into the back of the screen. The video cable from the new circuit board goes into the Android system, and there's a power cable to connect as well. And in the back of the factory stereo, there's just one plug to connect, which is the main plug there.
Okay, and then obviously on the main screen, when that comes up, so that gives you the original volume screen menu, and it needs to be switched over to the aux input to get sound. So we'll just give you a little demo. So this is linked with our phone here. So as you can see, the sound's now working. Okay, cheers, thanks.